Dear viewers, I will demonstrate today that I have hosted Deepseek on my local machine. I have got a Windows setup. I have installed Olama and Chatbox already. Olama hosts the models of Deepseek Quen models. I can currently run the smallest model that I will show you briefly. Started Olama. I will start Chatbox. Olama is a service that hosts models. There is no user interface for Olama. Chatbox is the front end that will serve Olama to us. This is Chatbox interface. I will go to settings. I will show you the settings of Olama. I am using Olama API in Chatbox, and my URL for Olama API is localhost 9999, 4 times 9 localhost, and I have two models, 8B and 1.5B. I cannot run 8B, I can only run 1.5B. I will leave you the instructions to install Deepseek locally in the description. I will give you the Reddit link which I found, and I used it to install locally here. So for now, our settings are already configured. I will show you the environment variable. Edit environment variable. Environment variables, Olama host. Here Olama host and Olama models directory has been configured in environment variables. You need to restart the PC for environment and other setups to take effect. Now let us try a mathematical calculation, and since we are using 1.5B Deepseek R1, let's give it a question to solve. We'll start a new chat. I'll give it an equation. Solve A plus B into A into C plus 1 plus 3 into A into B plus A plus multiplied by C into C. Now let us give values. A is equal to 2, C is equal to 4 and B is equal to 5. Let us give this equation to Deepseek R1 1.5b Quant model. Let us see how it solves it. It thinks first, then solves the problem. The final answer after solving all this, after it completed thinking, it started solving the problem. This is how it divided the problem into parts and solved a mathematical problem. And the final answer is 135. So this is all for now currently. I will try to put details in description how I got this set up on my local machine.